define someone who has
Yeah.
borderline personality. But before we get into those, how is BPD, borderline personality disorder, different than all of these other personality disorders?
So as of right now, and this will change over time, there are 10 personality disorders in the diagnostic manual we call the DSM,
Yes.
or the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. There's also a different classification scheme called the ICD-10, or the International Classification of Diseases. I'm only making that technical point because people may run into that if they were to, for example, see a medical record.
Now, do you know if dissociative identity disorder, multiple personality is what it used to be called, is one of those 10?
Dissociative identity disorder is in a separate section of the diagnostic manual under a whole series of other dissociative disorders.
Okay.
And it is often misdiagnosed borderline personality. It's a very rare, DID is a very rare disorder. And many times people who are called DID, if you will, they actually have borderline personality.
Okay, so back to my original question. How does borderline personality disorder differ from all these other ones?
Borderline personality disorder is unique in the personality disorders for how unstable the emotional state of the person is. They will go from angry to sad to cheerful in the same hour. You will not see that kind of emotional instability with any other personality disorder.
Even bipolar disorder?
Bipolar is not a personality disorder. And frequently, borderline personality disorder and bipolar disorder get misdiagnosed by lay people. People who are professionals in the field know the clear difference. The difference between borderline personality disorder, which is a personality disorder, and bipolar disorder, which is what we call a mood disorder, just like depression. Bipolar disorder is characterized by something called mania. Mania is a period of time, it could last 4 to 7 days, even longer, where the person has this incredibly expansive, excitable mood, sometimes even irritable. They can go for days without sleep. They could talk and not stop.